In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google AdSense account. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open adsense.google.com on your browser. Now in here, you'll be able to find that Get Started button at the top right corner of your screen. So go ahead and click on that Get Started button to be able to create an account on Google AdSense. Now, once you click on this button, you'll get redirected into this section. So go ahead and click on your Google account to proceed with the next steps of account creation. In this section, you can enter the link to your website. Now, if you don't have a website, you can simply check this checkbox that states I don't have a site yet. Under the Get More Out of AdSense, you can select between yes and no if you want a customized help and performance suggestions. Under the payment country or territory, it is highly important for you to indicate the country where you're currently residing. Make sure that you set it into the country where you are residing to avoid future problems regarding payments. Now check this checkbox and start using AdSense. Now in this section, you'll need to set up your account further, entering your information for the first step, and this concerns your payments. You need to set up how you want the ads to look like on your website and connect your site to AdSense. Now once you have this three set up, you are good to go. And that is how you can simply create a Google AdSense account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.